Experiencing issues with your StarTech docking station? Connectivity problems often stem from USB-C, power, or display issues. First, ensure your USB-C cable is plugged into a compatible, Thunderbolt-enabled host port. Try a different USB-C cable certified for 100-watt power delivery (PD). Power problems can occur if your host device doesn't provide sufficient wattage, with at least 60 watts needed for display output. Check your BIOS settings or consider using an external power adapter. For display problems with HDMI or DisplayPort outputs, verify alt mode support. Update to the latest firmware for your StarTech model, which often includes auto detection features for PD and display protocols. USB-C handles data, power, and video through a single connection. USB-C alt mode enables video output, so ensure your resolutions match between devices. Power delivery is crucial for docking stations. Insufficient power causes connection failures. Use a USB tester to check the voltage and ensure proper power delivery. For Thunderbolt docks, install the latest drivers from Intel or Apple. Always use active cables for longer distances to maintain signal strength. Check StarTech's online troubleshooter and ensure your operating system is compatible. Case studies show that updating drivers and firmware resolves many connectivity problems. If initial steps fail, contact StarTech support for specialized assistance.